Guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and happy holiday shopping time. I don't know about you guys, but around Black Friday and Cyber Monday I tend to shop for myself around this time, and then I put off shopping for everybody else like a week before Christmas. So yeah, I don't know, but anyways, if you guys are looking for a new wig so that you can wear for Christmas, definitely check out AFSisterwigs. This is the unit that I'm actually reviewing for today. All of their details will be linked down below in the description area if you guys are interested. But y'all, this is their full lace wig. I haven't seen full lace wigs in a hot minute. This is in their silky straight texture with their Swiss HD lace, and y'all, you can part this wig anywhere. So this is how the hair looks directly out of the box. So this is how your hair should look. And if I sound a little raspy or a little like deep, because I'm really sick right now, I don't know, I have like the flu or something, but yeah, you guys bear with me. But you guys, this is how the unit looks. So what I'm gonna do right here is pretty much show you guys all the potential you have with this unit. But first, I'm gonna get rid of that box hump. I like to take my Wow glass spray, and you guys can see it makes the hair super shiny. And when I get silky straight hair, I don't know if you guys realize it, I kind of get like that frizziness at the bottom of the wig. So I'm just going to add some oil, or you can add some serum, and I'm just going to run my flat iron through the wig. What I love about full lace wigs is all the potential you have. So right here, I'm kind of like playing in the hair, but I'm really just trying to think of a style that I can put this in, because I mean, I had like a million styles going on through my head. I originally wanted to put this in a half up, half down with a deep back part. So you guys can see right here, I'm just kind of like styling it, and it looks really, really good. So for those of you guys who like to wear your units like this, it's there, the potential is there, and you can have like a deep back part. But I told myself, I said, you know what, you really can't see that back part too well. So I decided that I wanted to go for a side part with kind of like a swoop action, with kind of like pigtails in the back. So you guys are going to see me create that style in a minute, but right here I am just going to apply a lot of wax, because I do feel like with this particular style I wanted it to look really sleek and polished. So I did use a lot of wax so that the hair was nice and smooth, almost like, you know, like when you brush your hair with gel. I really wanted that smooth, sleek, chic look. So yeah, I'm going through the hair again with my hot comb, and this is just kind of like a look at what I'm talking about. I kind of wanted that deep part with that swoop action, and then I'm going to do some pigtails later on. But you guys can see just how silky this unit is. It's incredibly soft, okay? But what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and get that wig on, and I'm also going to cut off that lace. Now when it comes down to a full lace wig, you do have like that 360 lace. So the lace is all in the front and it goes all the way in the back. So I do recommend cutting your lace like off your head, or if you can get someone to cut it for you. Guys, now that wasn't so bad, now was it? It only took me like what, 15 minutes to get my lace cut off. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get that wig installed. I'm taking my bedhead hardhead mini hairspray and applying that on top of the lace, as well as using my hair dryer. I also like to go in with my Got To Be Ultra Glue just to apply that on top for any pieces that didn't adhere properly, as well as taking my elastic band to further melt that down. So the meltdown was a success, but I like to also go over the lace with a little bit of liquid foundation and powder. Now with an HD Swiss lace wig, you really don't have to do that because the lace is so thin that it blends into your skin. However, I find that when I'm taking pictures, you can still kind of see it, so you can never be too sure. Definitely go over with some extra foundation, and I also like to define that parting space with some concealer. But now let's get into styling this hair. Like I mentioned before, I wanted to go for like a swoopity doop type thing. So we all know how to swoop out a bang. We've been doing this since grade school. So I just swooped it to the side. I like to use some hairspray to kind of keep it intact, as well as play around with the baby hairs a bit, because I kind of want the look to kind of, I don't know, like give me like a 90s vibe a bit. So I did take some gel and I'm just playing around and doing some exaggerated baby hairs. Let me know if this is something that you would do. Should I keep the baby hairs, or do you think it looks good without it? Let me know. But this is how the hair looks, y'all. I'm really liking this look because it looks extremely sleek and polished and shiny. And oh my god, this hair is incredibly soft. I really do like this. But here are the angles of the hair. My unit is 20 inches long, and I do believe the density is around 150. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this particular style. So like I mentioned earlier, this is a full lace wig. The entire inside of the wig is lace and mesh. So you can wear this wig in styles like pigtails, bantu knots. You can even do a half up, half down. You can even do cornrows if you really want to. But for the style that I'm opting for is a side part with kind of like pigtails, just so you guys can see how natural it looks. I do have to warn you guys, I have a lot of hair and I'm not the flattest braider, so you guys can definitely tell that my hair is kind of bulging through, so just kind of like ignore that part. But as you guys can see, this is how the hair scalp looks. Elise did place a center part going down the back for me, and I do recommend you guys using some concealer just to clean it up, because there is that white lace in there and you can kind of see it. So put a little bit of concealer on top of that and it will look really natural. But guys, this is how this full lace wig looks. Again, it comes from AFSisterwigs. Let me know what you guys think and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.